Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much indeed for joining me. Please do like and subscribe, get involved in the content. I'd really appreciate your interactions and support with the channel. Leave a comment down below about Vechain as well and how you're feeling about this chart. You can see quite clearly here, been having a little bit of a decent move recently off of these lows. We keep on retesting this load here down at around 1.5 cents, don't we? Test, and every single time we have bounced in this area. It's pretty obvious to me that you know, Vechain's done very badly during this bear market. It's not really had a bounce anything like most cryptocurrencies had. I think a lot of these larger cap cryptos have really suffered, apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum. For the most part, at the very least recently, a lot of those larger cap cryptos have performed very poorly, really. They've not really had much of a bounce, and Vechain is definitely in that category. But I did say in so many videos in the past, once you get in between this 1 to 2 cent area here, where there is this previous structure of the previous move just before the previous bull market, that we're probably going to see ourselves heading into a nice bit of support, especially, you know, when what are we now? About 95% down from the all-time high. Yeah, anywhere from here to here, from about 95 to 97% down from the all-time high, people are going to start buying these cryptocurrencies. I do think Vechain is no exception to this. Really, we have just seen Vechain bouncing around and consolidating quite messily between these two levels for a long time now. You can see really with a high of around 3-ish cents down to this 1.3 cent swing low here. Really, we have just been going sideways and consolidating. And now Vechain again having a little bit of a bounce back up to what we're looking at here, 1.9 cents, which is this previous key level that I have highlighted before. Looking like we are currently stuck under that as resistance, but you can see we came down, we obviously retested that 1.5 cent level again. We got the bounce, and then obviously you can see consolidation, continuation, a nice little 1, 2, 3 move technical target fulfilled for that. Now stuck under resistance and basically losing steam, obviously with Bitcoin also losing steam right now. Vechain, we are just waiting for it to, you know, do something basically. Still consolidating and chopping sideways, not making anywhere near the kinds of bounces that people probably expect. And I think realistically Vechain's probably going to continue to chop sideways and slowly trickle to the downside like this until we do see ourselves heading back up, going into a proper bull market in the next year or so. We're about, what, we're half a year away from the Bitcoin halving now. So I think it's fairly likely that we're going to see Vechain heading up once that does happen. Obviously still miles away from the bear market resistances here. And in my opinion, looking pretty bad, to be honest, in terms of the macro. But I do think we are probably approaching the area where the bottom will be in for Vechain. And once we do start to see ourselves heading up, back up through these Fibonacci levels, this 023 being the first hurdle, obviously, once we start heading back up through these Fibonacci levels like this towards that bear market resistance here, I think we'll start seeing some light for Vechain. But for now, having a little bit of a bullish move in the local area and waiting for more upside. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Really appreciate all your support. And I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.